Welcome back to Reviewsinside TV, your go-to destination for detailed, no-nonsense product reviews. Today we're checking out the Cuisinart Blender for shakes, smoothies, and more. Specifically, the 3.5 peak Hurricane Pro blender in gunmetal. This blender promises to deliver professional-grade performance with its impressive 3.5 peak horsepower motor, a large 64-ounce BPA-free jar, and a suite of advanced features that could make it a standout in your kitchen. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Cuisinart Hurricane Pro blender is all about power and precision. At the core of its performance is the 3.5 peak horsepower motor, designed to handle tough ingredients like frozen fruits, nuts, and ice with ease. It's paired with a large 64-ounce Tritan plastic jar, which is BPA-free for your peace of mind. The soft grip handle makes pouring smoothies or shakes a lot more comfortable, and the jar size gives you plenty of capacity for larger batches. Whether you're making shakes for the whole family or prepping smoothies for the week, this blender has you covered. But what really sets this blender apart is its exclusive BlendLogix operating technology. This is an advanced system that adjusts the motor's speed and power automatically based on the load, ensuring consistent blending every time. Combined with the variable speed control, which ranges from 1,500 to 25,000 RPM, you've got full control over your blends. Need an extra burst of power? The Turbo Boost feature takes it all the way to 30,000 RPM for those times when you need maximum blending strength. Plus, the memory function stores any preset blending time, saving you the hassle of reprogramming for your favorite recipes. In terms of real-world performance, I've tested this blender in a few different scenarios. First up, the smoothie test. I threw in frozen strawberries, bananas, and some spinach, along with a handful of ice cubes. The blender didn't hesitate. Within seconds, it crushed everything into a smooth, creamy consistency. The BlendLogix system really shines here, adjusting the speed automatically as the load changed. The smoothie came out perfectly blended with no chunks or uneven textures. Next, I tried the blender for making protein shakes. The motor easily broke down protein powder and liquids, blending them into a smooth drink without any residue left behind. The 64-ounce jar proved to be the right size for larger batches, and I didn't need to stop and stir or scrape down the sides, which can be a common issue with less powerful blenders. However, when I used the blender to crush ice for a frozen cocktail, the motor did sound a little strained. It still managed to get the job done, but there was a noticeable lag when pushing the ice through, which might be an issue if you're using it for larger ice-heavy recipes regularly. Now, let's get into the pros and cons. On the positive side, the 3.5 peak horsepower motor is a real powerhouse, making quick work of tough ingredients. The BlendLogix technology and variable speed control allow for incredible precision, giving you full control over the texture of your blends. The large 64-ounce jar is perfect for making big batches, and the soft grip handle is a thoughtful touch. In terms of design, the gunmetal finish gives it a sleek, professional look that will fit into most modern kitchens. On the flips, while it's great for large batches, the size of the jar might be a bit bulky for smaller kitchens or people who only need to make individual servings. Additionally, when crushing ice, the motor does show a slight delay, which could be frustrating for those who make frozen drinks frequently. The price tag is also on the higher end, so you're definitely paying for the performance and features here. But if you're looking for something that offers a commercial-grade experience, it might be worth the investment. So, how does the Cuisinart Hurricane Pro blender stack up in terms of value for money? This blender is certainly not cheap, but it offers a level of power and precision that puts it in a different league compared to many household blenders. With its 3.5 peak horsepower motor, automatic load sensing, and range of features, it's built for those who want professional results in their own kitchen. It might be overkill for someone who only blends occasionally, but for regular smoothie makers, fitness enthusiasts, or even small businesses, the price tag is justified by the quality and performance. When compared to other high-performance blenders in the same price range, the Cuisinart Hurricane Pro stands out due to its advanced features like the BlendLogix technology and memory function. Brands like Vitamix and Blendtec offer similar high-powered models, but the Cuisinart delivers comparable performance with a slightly more affordable price tag. For example, the Vitamix 5200 has a similar motor power, but it lacks the automatic load sensing that the Cuisinart offers. On the flip side, Blendtec's Designer series offers a touch-screen interface, but comes at a premium cost. As for build quality, the Cuisinart Hurricane Pro feels solid and well-built. The 64-ounce jar is sturdy and resistant to staining, and the overall construction of the blender gives the impression of a long-lasting, reliable appliance. Given its commercial-grade motor and durable materials, I would expect this blender to stand the test of time, especially if it's treated well. Based on Cuisinart's reputation for making high-quality kitchen appliances, I'm confident in its long-term reliability. Customer support is another factor to consider. While I didn't need to reach out to Cuisinart's customer service during my testing, the company has a solid reputation for addressing issues quickly and efficiently. They offer a warranty on their products, so if you do run into any issues down the line, you can expect support to help resolve them. Finally, let's wrap this up with a concise verdict. The Cuisinart Hurricane Pro blender is a powerhouse of a kitchen appliance. Its 3.5 peak horsepower motor, large capacity, and advanced features like BlendLogix technology and Turbo Boost make it perfect for those who demand high performance. While the size and price might not be suitable for everyone, it offers excellent value for money for serious smoothie makers or anyone who needs a durable, high-powered blender. If you're willing to invest in a top-tier product, this one could be the perfect fit for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews like this one. If you have any thoughts or questions about the Cuisinart Hurricane Pro, leave them in the comments below. You can also check the product link in the comments box. Until next time, stay blended, stay fresh, and we'll see you again soon on Reviews Inside TV.